here's what you need to do pumpkin bowling at home. Start out with empty water bottles, food coloring, red and yellow, duct tape or masking tape, you can color on the masking tape if you need to, and a small ball or pumpkin. Remove the label from the water bottle and refill it. Add a few drops of red and yellow food coloring to make the water orange. I use 3 drops of each. Wrap the top of the bottle in green duct tape or masking tape that you can color green later. Set up your pumpkin bowling pins and use a pumpkin or a ball to bowl. We found that a little bit larger pumpkin worked better for knocking the pins over, but use whatever you have on hand. You can also take this activity outdoors to enjoy the fall weather and bowl on a grassy or paved surface if it's level enough that the pins will stay upright. Have fun!